Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I want to invite you again to 3 events. They are Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd of each and every month, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of each and every month, and Hi Barbie on the 18th of each and every month. And we tell you all the time, any rainbow high doll on the 3rd, any doll at all for Dolls Gone Goth, and any and all Barbies from to great big. I just, oh no, I got a Disney. I was going to say I bought another 36-inch Barbie, but it's a Disney character. I don't know about you, but this has become a fan rather than a calendar. It's just, woo, another month has gone by. March is coming so very, very quickly, and the theme for that will be green or shamrocks, however you want to interpret that. Maybe your green-haired rainbow high dolls, maybe a green outfit, maybe take them out on the grass that's greening up, anything you want at all. We just want you to join in. Be sure you always go to Dory's channel, even today, because she always offers so much fun with her dolls. She has a very large collection of a very large variety of dolls, and she often shows them in these challenges. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Go by Dory's today. And please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both of us. And this really is an invitation to join us for these challenges. It's just fun.